Welcome to model number 28, the million scale Bandai Superstar Destroyer. This is the second or third kit I built during deployment. You can see how that's the original plastic. I hadn't painted it yet. I carefully assembled it. It only took about half an hour. Was even able to get the bridge dome in place, though it was a much recessed bridge dome compared to the original Executor. This model was, I built it based on a Superstar Destroyer in my Star Wars comics that I worked on in the mid-90s. I drew them myself with my own storyline about a Republic faction in the far outer rim. And at first I'd made it look like a bigger Star Destroyer before I realized there was a actual proper shape for the Superstar Destroyer. Now you can see the label here. You can see how I painted the engines by hand. And then I hand painted the bottom of the ship. Don't worry, when I did the top of the ship, as you'll see in the final picture, I did it properly. There's the label. And there's the Star Destroyer on the proper shelf. You can see how you can barely see the bridge dome. And now you can see the picture coming up of the top of the ship. So that's all for part one, and I will post part two as well. Bye-bye.